घरगुती गॅस सिलिंडराच्या वजनात फरक आशिल्ल्यान एका गिरायकान कागाळ केली। ते प्रमाण मंगळारा दक्षिण गोंय वजनमाप खात्याचे सहाय्यक नियंत्रकान सालसेत गॅस एजन्सीच्या वाहनाचेर धाड घाली। वाहन ताब्यात घेवन सगळ्या सिलिंडराचे वजन काढले। तातूंतले 5 सिलिंडरांचे वजन कमी सापडल्यात। वजनमाप खात्यान हे 5 सिलिंडर आनी वजन कांटो जप्त केला। फुडलो तपास सुरू आसा।
हांवें सिलिंडर ऑर्डर केलो। सिलिंडर जेन्ना रिसीव करता आसतना म्हाका सिलिंडर भारतांतून लायट वेट येलो, सो हांवें डायरेक्टली सिलिंडर घेतलो। एक स्क्रॅप यार्ड थंय वचून वाटेर पयलीं मेजर केलो, बट आय फावंड दॅट थंय कमी आसा, बट स्टील आय कम हांगा वेट्स एंड मेजरान येयलो। वेट्स एंड मेजरान पळयलो आनी तेज्या पयलीं सिलिंडर हांव घेतना म्हाका सील टेर जाल्लो दिसलो सायडींतल्यान। सायडींतल्यान सिलिंडराचो सील आसा तो टेर केल्लो। तेजे खातीर हांवें समजो येयलो आनी पयलीं वाटेर मेजर केलो। तेजे उपरांत हांव डायरेक्टली हांगा वेटन मेजर केलो। रॉड्रिगीज सरान कडेन ती मेजर केलो वेइंग स्केलाचेर। सो जो वेट जावपाक आशिल्लो 30 समथींग तो 29 किलो तरी आशिल्लो, तरी सरान बरयल्लो आसा वेट। सो नियरली 1.5 किलो सुमार वेट तेजून कमी आसलो।
4 days back, we have received a complaint from Mr. Rupesh Lotlekar. He had brought a cylinder to office. We weighed it. It was around 1 kilo short, and he had given a complaint to us. Based on the complaint, we traced a vehicle of Salset Gas Agency, and the said vehicle was escorted to office. And on payment, we found 5 cylinder, wherein 1 cylinder was having a seal and 4 cylinder were without seal. On payment, it was found that sealed cylinder was around 900 grams short, and whereas this four unsealed cylinder are around 2 kg, 1.5 kg, 3 kg short. So we have seized these 5 cylinders, and we have also seized a weighing scale which was present on the weighing scale. It was not verified within the time period specified in the verification certificate. Necessary action will be taken. The matter is under investigation.
वे करून मागीर गो डाउन वयता, नॉट बिफोर दॅट.
Then afterwards,
between leaving go down and reaching customer's place, there is a weighing scale. They weigh and they give. So आम्ही काही कंप्लेन आमकां येता कंप्लेन आम्ही immediately return करता cylinder, क्योंकि we don't want to give underweight.
last time also there was a raid on your godown.
Yes.
Same reason.
There were 5 overweight and some 7 underweight.